going, peeps? Yeah, welcome back to Snail TV. We've got a couple of things happening for today. Hopefully you, like our well, breakages or whatever you call it. So we're on the booster cart, and obviously we've got it in sequential now. Everything is running lovely. I've just checked everything over. It's all good. Now that there is a broken keyway. So yeah, we didn't notice it straight away. I noticed it when I had a look at the rear end. Yeah, so what it actually did was they actually had two posts originally. One there as well. You can sort of see where it was. Focusing on it right there. So what it's done is actually snapped one off and bent it up and yeah, teared it apart. So for that, what we end up going to have to do with this thing, because it keeps doing this, if it kind of wants to keep doing this, obviously this is a 50mm axle. This is the biggest one they make for go-karting, but obviously this ain't obviously a standard go-kart. So the carriers and everything like that, everything seems pretty decent, but we're going to have to end up upgrading the axle. The axle is actually only very thin, and as you can see right there, that there is how they go. So obviously that pin goes in like that. Watch out for my dog's just getting stuff here. So yeah, so as you can see, it just goes in like that. So there's two holes, and obviously there's a flat edge on one surface. So what we've done, because we're going to upgrade this anyway, what I've done is put a new keyway in it, and also I've done some equal tacks, decent tacks all the way around it, both sides. I do want to do a weld, because I know if I do a weld then the thing's just going to pull really bad. So it's still straight. You can see the wheel is still very straight. Oops, watch out for the dog. So everything is on there now. So if this decides to rip out the keyway, it's obviously going to take the axle with it. I'm fine with that. Obviously, if it wants to tear that up, then we know that we have to upgrade the axle straight away. So yeah, we just know that we've got a lot more power now with everything running really in sequential and yeah, running right now. So yeah, that's where it's at. So that there is a broken keyway, boys, already, with yeah, half the power that it's even supposed to be putting out right now. So yeah, wait for the next round and we'll take this back out. But yeah, so that there. Alright, so that's updates on that. Come over here, we've got updates on the Civic. Alright, so we've got updates on the Civic now. So we got the welder happening at the moment, and I've just knocked up these. Alright, so dash 16s, both exactly the same ends, and what I've done, I can't touch them yet, and I'll just I want to be able to hold them. Alright, so we're going to drill that out real big on the side there. So we're going to drill that on the side, and that there is going to be our dash 16 out, just like that. So as you can see, pretty easy, takes up the whole bit, some good flow on both sides. I'll have it facing down just a tad, just so then the lines can go straight down, because we've got one output here and the other output over there. So what's going to happen is back in this corner here is going to be the water pump. I'm thinking anyway, I'll put the water pump back here, mount it up down here just with to a rail or something. And so both these lines, that line and this line will go back. Obviously we've got one there on the front, so either that one there or this one here will go straight to the radiator, and the one coming back will, and also one of the ones off the side will go to the water pump on the side. So that's where we're at. These are the last waterline outputs that I have to do. I'll quickly take the radiator off now, and also get these welded up. Hopefully I've got enough gas. I'm pretty low at the moment. We've also got the other Heim joint, so all steering works now, both sides. So as you can see, the tie rods are straight now, like they weren't yesterday. Obviously one was kicked out because it wasn't connected. So yeah, all steering's all connected, guys. Everything's working. See things moving down there. Alright, so we've got full lock that way and full lock this way. So yeah, everything there turns out great. So yeah, we'll get these in. Alright peeps, so we've got the hole cut out. As you can see, it's nice and big. Obviously the intake there as well. And when they go together, something like that, then yeah, it's a pretty good fit all the way around it. So yeah, we'll give this a weld up, and yeah, hopefully she holds on, and I can weld it up. Let's do it. Well, there we have it. One's all welded up. Yeah, so nice and big opening, -16 there it is, guys. And yeah, everything has come up all good. So we just got to do exactly the same for the other side. So we're going to clean up the other side, do the hole as well, and yeah, we'll get it going. Well, all done. Successful night. So got the ends all done. As you said, it goes on a smaller of an angle for yeah, easy accessible for the outputs. So they're pretty even. Yeah, I really like it. So it's come up good. It's not bolted in or anything like that again. Just gonna, yeah, now it's gonna be, we'll bolt that up, bolt the turbo up, put everything back on, just make sure everything all fits. But for now, I'll keep it like this for a little bit, just to make sure it's what I wanted. But and also it's a bit hot as well, so I can't go touching it too much. So yeah, so -16s welded up to the tank. Radiator, sorry. And so theoretically the intercooler / radiator is all done now, so that's awesome. So what else we've got to do in here now? So obviously steering is done. Also suspension's all done. Everything there's all done. All the piping's done. Little things like the water pump I'll mount separately later on, just off a bracket off the corner there, so that's fine. I don't need to mount that right now, just things I don't need to get. So the only things we have got to do in the engine bay is the exhaust. What are we going to do about it? Where are we going to run it? So we've got the 4-inch outlet down the end there going out, and we're going to go right down to the back. Do we do something stupid like hood exits? I've already gone out the sides before. Do we do that as well? I'm not sure whether running full exhaust is going to kill any more power, but I thought a 4-inch exhaust should be fine to release it. Yeah, so we've got to do that, and obviously make some pedals for the accelerator cable. So yeah, we can get this accelerator cable working also now, and also brake. So we're gonna, yeah, do something about the brakes now. And also that, so we either make a pedal box, buy a pedal box, or I'll make up some accelerator and a brake pedal, obviously, and a clutch. So yeah, we'll have a look what pedal boxes are worth, and see what we can scrounge up. Pedal box will always be nicer. It's just so much easier to mount, and yeah, it's just but we'll have a look at some stuff. So yeah, all right peeps, we're gonna leave it for that now. Yeah, so some quick little updates there. Booster's all ready to go back out, so we're gonna go back out again soon, hopefully in the next week or so. So hopefully that thing's gonna be ripping. And also the Civic now is up for obviously exhaust, and obviously now accelerator and clutch and brake. So yeah, so that's where we're at now, guys. All right, I'll leave you to it. Just let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more happening. And yeah, I'll take it from there. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.